Welcome to another video of CAD and Sorcery, fellow designers. In this video, I'll show you how to change your document units in SOLIDWORKS, one of the basic things you need to know. So let's get started. When you first install SOLIDWORKS, you may see a message asking you to choose your default document units. In my case, I selected millimeters, grams and seconds. You can always check the active document units at the bottom right corner of your screen. Right now, everything I design is in millimeters. But what if you need to switch to inches? Changing units is easy. Just click the unit display in the bottom right corner and select a preset system. SOLIDWORKS offers several options like MMGS, which I'm currently using, or IPS, which is inch pound second. By switching to IPS, you can see that now all my dimensions will be in inches. For more control, click Edit Document Units. Here, you can customize your unit system, adjust decimal precision, or even change specific units like pounds to kilograms. This way, you can create a setup that fits your needs. You can also change units for existing files, whether they are parts, assemblies, or drawings. The process is exactly the same. Here is a pro tip to avoid adjusting units manually every time. I recommend creating a document template with your preferred settings. To do that, first open a new part, assembly or drawing file. Set the unit system from the bottom right corner and finally save it as a template. Also, make sure to save your templates in the correct file location. For this video, I'll keep the default location. To test your new document unit, click New and then choose the Advanced button. Then choose the newly created part IPS template, and just like that, you can see that my units are correctly set from the start. And that's it. Pretty easy, right? I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more SOLIDWORKS content. See you in the next video.